Introducing the Bosch Series 6 9kg heat pump dryer. With its 7-star energy rating, this dryer is not only efficient but also gentle on your clothes and your energy bills. Experience highly efficient heat pump drying with the innovative active air technology. This delivers a gentle drying process, ensuring great clothes care while being gentle on your wallet. The auto dry sensor knows exactly when your load is ready, avoiding overheating and protecting your garments. Enjoy the convenience of the auto dry feature, which automatically dries your clothes to the exact level of dryness you select. The half load option optimizes the drying settings for smaller loads, saving you time and energy. The anti-vibration design ensures stability and minimizes noise, making this dryer extremely quiet. Say goodbye to loud and disruptive drying cycles. With the sensitive drying system, your clothes are gently dried without wrinkles, keeping them looking their best. You can say goodbye to the hassle of laundry day and hello to perfectly dry clothes. Upgrade your laundry routine and enjoy the benefits of the Bosch Series 6 9kg heat pump dryer. Thanks so much for watching.